Hi students, class 9, example sum 6.2, find the 6 trigonometric ratios of the angle theta using the given diagram. See, the given diagram is given as ABC. Here the hypotenuse side is given as 25 and then the opposite side is given as 7 and the theta is inclined at B. We want to find out what is AB first and then we have to find the 6 trigonometric ratios. So the given triangle is a right angle triangle. So one of the angle is 90 degree. So right angle triangles means we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the other side, right? By Pythagoras theorem, we have the formula, that is hypotenuse side square is equal to, sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is opposite side square plus adjacent side square. See here, hypotenuse side, the always 90 degree opposite side is the hypotenuse side and opposite to the angle is opposite side and then remaining side is adjacent side. So here we are going to find out what is the adjacent side, right? So first the hypotenuse side is 25 square is equal to the opposite side is 7 square plus the adjacent side is AB square. Now we want to find out what is AB. I take this 7 square to this side. 25 into 25 is 625 minus 7 sevens are 49. 7 square is 49. I take this 49 to this side. Then we have AB square. Now subtract this. AB square is equal to 625 minus 49 is 576. Here we want to find what is AB, not AB square. So taking square root on both sides, we get root of 576. Root of 576 is nothing but perfect square root of 24. If you multiply this 24 into 24, we get 576. Then AB is equal to 24 is 500. So the adjacent side is 24. Now we want to find out the 6 ratios. What are the ratios? That is sin theta. Sin theta means opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here the opposite side is 7. The adjacent. I draw the diagram again here. This is the triangle. This is the opposite side 7. The hypotenuse side 25. The adjacent side is 24. It is very easy to write it here. So sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. See here, the opposite side is 7, the hypotenuse side is 25. Then cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. See, the adjacent side is 24, the hypotenuse side is 25. Then tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Some people have curly brown hair, though perfect blue. By that concept, we can easily write that by the introductions, right? Now, opposite side is 7, the adjacent side is 24. Then secant theta is equal to, third letter is C. Secant means reciprocal of cos. The reciprocal of cos is hypotenuse side divided by adjacent side. The reciprocal value is 25 divided by 24. And then cosecant is equal to, third letter is S. Reciprocal of sine, right? Reciprocal of sine is hypotenuse side divided by opposite side. Reciprocal this value 25 divided by 7. Then cot theta, cot third letter T, reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of tan means adjacent side divided by opposite side. Now reciprocal, the values of tan 24 divided by 7 is the answer. Thank you students.